is the theme, Make It Rain. I'm not sure who came up with that, but when I was thinking about what it means to me today on Making It Rain is that we are basically trying to grow the bank. All of us are here growing the bank, right? So we're builders of this bank.
If there's one thing that I want to bring back from this team building, it's the energy. Never seen such high level of energy from a group of 300 people. I'd like to bring that back, and I also want people to learn by changing their past experience. Some past experiences may not have worked very well and may have a preconceived mindset, but if everyone is willing to change their mindset and change their attitude, that's what I'll bring back.
Saya rasa program ni memang banyak membantu dan boleh digunakan di pejabat juga. Semuanya dengan kerjasama kan, rakan-rakan. Jadi nampak situ effort yang kita buat.
Today's program is very good because it gives a 360-degree turnaround to let the people who are at the lower level know what's above happening at the managerial level, and also let the managerial level who has always been managing think that it's not so easy also at the lower level. So everybody now knows everybody what they are doing. Okay, that's the reason why when I run my department, when I go back, okay, I will always love my team, and they will always then love me from now on. We understand each other better, we walk in each other's shoes, and we walk together.
I love you! You're beautiful!
You are beautiful!